What is up, YouTube? It is your girl Toshinae Letrice. You know it. And you are watching my channel. Dun 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 dun. Cue the music, okay? Period. Alright, so welcome to my peaceful, soothing video. Today, I'm just going to be taking this hair down really quickly and trying to get the knots out, and my scrunchie is stuck. Oh my god. Alright, so this dry ass hair has come out, and ooh baby, that shit is looking rough. Oh my god. Ooh, just dry, just brittle, just this is the result of me just putting leave-in conditioner in my hair after a shower and leaving it in there for like 2 days. I did a cute hairstyle and then I just took it out, let my hair breathe, and that's what happened. Just got dry, frizzy, disgusting, and I'm trying to get a thumbnail at this point. So today I'm coming at you with a review on these products I picked up at Walmart. This is the Garnier Hydrating Treat shampoo and conditioner. It just attracted my eye, and I looked over out of my peripheral and I saw this duo, and I was just like, wow, this is so cute. I really want to try this product. First off, because it said hydrating, and obviously my hair is super dry, but also look at this packaging. Like, it's very sleek, it's very slender, it fits so nicely in the hand. It's a nice bottle size. It's about 11.8 fluid ounces, which is a pretty good amount of shampoo and conditioner in there for the price. As you can see on the front of the bottle, it says it's 98% naturally derived ingredients. It also said more moisture, less weigh down, which is what I was looking for. My hair is so dry, especially during the winter. So I guess you can call this like my winter moisturizing wash day routine. But it also has aloe extract. It's vegan. It has no silicones. Recyclable bottle, which I also love that this product is recyclable. But we're going to be testing this product out today and seeing how well it works on my hair. Now let's go to the shower. First of all, I love that it's so gel. Like, it feels so good. Like, the shampoo glided so softly into my hair, and it has such a good, like, foamy, like, it lathered up very well immediately. Like, as soon as it touched the water, it started lathering, and it just felt so good on my head. My hair immediately felt so soft after just putting the shampoo in. Like, now I know why this is the hydrating treat, because my hair was like, this a snack. Okay, so honest review of that conditioner, it didn't feel like it got my hair completely as like soft as I wanted it to be, but I guess it's because it says less weigh down. so I can really tell that. But I feel like I really like that weighed down feeling sometimes after putting conditioner in. But now I know why my hair wasn't very weighed down afterward. I'm also going to be using this new product that I just bought as well from Cream of Nature. It's a hair mask. I've never used any Cream of Nature products, but I'm using this right after my conditioner. And normally after I put my deep conditioner, I like to twist my hair up. I either just like put it in some Felicia twist or some French twist or something just to lock in that moisture while I work on the other side. At this very moment, I had pulled some of my hair out with my broken nail, and that really hurt my feelings. So that was my review of the Garnier Fructis products, and I guess the Cream of Nature hair mask as well. I really like the Garnier products, and as far as the hair mask goes, it seems like it's pretty okay. I don't know, it didn't have a lot of slip. Thank you guys for tuning into my video and watching the review. Let me know if you're gonna try these products, and I will see you guys next time. Boo boo.